Hey everyone, I'm back. I've been gone for so long. I've had so much going on since my last video. I actually realized my last video was almost a year ago to this date. We had our house on the market. We sold it super quick. Obviously, the market's insane right now. So we sold it fast. We moved into the area that we wanted to go to, but we had to find a rental house because we couldn't find a house to live in. And to this day, we are still stuck in a rental house. Still can't find anything. So I have been just crazy with so many other things, so I have not had a time to update this channel. I do still use Monat. I still sell Monat. I just haven't had time to really put a lot of time into doing videos. Plus, I feel like when it comes to hair videos and products, there's so much I can do. So we have come out with new products since my last video. One of them was a smoothing line. They had an old one and then they just kind of reinvented it and came out with a new system. So I will probably get into that. I also want to let you guys know that I am going to be converting this channel slowly into other things, but I will still use this channel also for Monat. So if you have any questions whatsoever, any of my videos, you can comment in the comment section and I get back to you very quickly. I feel like as soon as someone posts a comment, I usually see it within at least an hour or two. So feel free to do that. But I've had so many exciting things that I've been working on for the past year. Some of you may know, if I've mentioned in other videos, that I have been a photographer, professional photographer for over 15 years. So that's always been my number one priority and my primary job. I have With the photography business, I do a lot of graphic design. I do a lot of real estate photography. I do families and seniors and weddings and all of that stuff. And I also used to have an Etsy store, I would say probably maybe 7-8 years ago, that did really, really well. I did a lot of wedding invitations and birthday invitations. I made cute little like kids tank tops with like ice cream cones and tutus, and I did like wedding headbands. Everything was handmade. The store did really well, but because my photography was so busy at the time, I kind of had to put that on a back burner. So because I have so many different things I'm working on right now, I'm trying to figure out a place to put everything all in one. I do social media marketing for several companies. Like I said, I do graphic design. I've been working on a t-shirt business. Within that business, I also have like other products that are like personalized. I mean, you name it, everything. I do everything. So I'm just trying to figure out like, where can I put all of these services? So I decided to reopen my Etsy store. And because I've got a following already on this channel, I thought it would be silly for me to start a brand new YouTube channel and have two separate channels and try to build a following on my other channel. So I figured, you know what, these are like services and products that you guys are probably going to love too. So I thought I would just kind of incorporate that into this channel and just slowly maybe convert it and then also do the Monat as well. So that's what I wanted to update you guys on. I'm going to probably start posting at least once a week, hopefully, if I can find time. I mean, I know at any moment now we're probably going to find a house because I feel like the homes have slowly been popping up. So then I'm probably going to get busy all over again. Hopefully I don't start slacking on this YouTube channel. But just kind of wanted to give you guys an update on where I've been and what I've been doing. And I'm so excited about all of these things that I have to show you. On my next video, I will probably show you some of the shirts that I've designed. I know t-shirts, everybody designs t-shirts now, so I get it. Mine aren't Cricut. I actually have mine. They're actually professionally printed. They're not a Cricut design, so it does last longer, but I do anything, like any type of custom design that you like, I can do those. And I also do like, you know, other types of personalized, I do personalized sports balls, which are really, really cool. So you can do like their actual size of like a basketball, volleyball, if your kids do any types of sports whatsoever. I love those. So I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I have. You never know, you may love it. And also I've got some really cute coffee mugs. They're personalized, Zodiac personalized, and they also have your Zodiac nutrition facts on it, which I think is hilarious because I'm an Aries and my Zodiac is 100% accurate. So on my next video, I'm going to try to kind of give you guys some examples and show you examples of what I've got in my store. And I'll also post a link to my Etsy store. I just launched it, I think like 4 or 5 days ago. I relaunched my old one, and slowly but surely I'm getting my products in there, and it is taking forever because I design everything by hand. So like all of my ads, like any picture that's on there, everything I've designed in Photoshop. So it takes a long time to do that. And then I got to put the listing in Etsy, which you got to go through the whole process of that. So my goal right now is to try to get like maybe 1 or 2 listings up a day. I've got probably hundreds of products I need to upload to there. So just kind of keep your eye out if you think you're going to like any of that stuff. Just check daily because I'm updating it daily. Also, I do offer Photoshop services to people. That is something I've been doing forever. Anytime, if anybody needs like, any type of photo manipulation done, head swaps, if you need thinning, if you already do like social media and you just need like photos to look better, I can do that. Social media marketing, I do that for several companies. I do everything. That's why I'm so busy all the time. So I'm just trying to, like, again, offer these services to people and put them all in one place. So that is where I've been. I'm hopefully going to be back a lot more now, posting videos weekly. And just don't forget to like this video, although I know it's a little boring, but just explaining to you guys where I've been. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. So you guys get updates every time I post a video. I'm going to be posting so many different types of videos now, so hopefully this page will be even more interesting. So I just want to say thank you for those of you that have subscribed and have been following me, and I hope everybody is doing great, and I'll be back soon. Talk to y'all later. Bye.